ClassAgile's polls feature gives teachers ability to conduct a quick survey in a class or gather the feedback from students in real time. Please note that this feature is an interactive feature, therefore, it is required for the teachers and the students to join the class before starting a poll. As a teacher, you can create an instant poll by visiting the poll's creation page through the menu. Select a class, students, a duration, answer type, and fill in the title and choices for the poll. Multiple settings can be turned on when creating a poll. These settings will only be applied to the students who participate in the respective poll. Teachers will see all the information regardless of these settings. By turning on the anonymous option, the voter's name will be hidden when displaying the poll result. By turning on the Show Instant Results option, the polling result is updated instantly as the votes are received for each choice, instead of showing the result when the poll ends. By turning on the Allow Comments option, the voters will have the option to add comments when submitting their votes, and the comments will be displayed as part of the poll result. The Preview feature becomes available when the required information is filled in. This gives the poll creator an idea how the poll will look like when students receive it. You can also save the poll as a draft, which can be used later. All drafts are under the Drafts page, which can be accessed through the side menu. Every draft can be cloned, edited, or deleted as needed. When you are ready to send a poll, click on the Launch button to start the poll. The poll dialog will display on the screen of selected students. The students won't be able to close the dialog until the poll ends or vote on the poll. As a creator of the poll, you can also see the poll dialog on your screen, where you can monitor the poll result in real time. On the dialog, the countdown timer starts to run based on the duration the teacher set. The poll settings are displayed as icons on the top of the dialog. As a teacher, you also have the option to end the poll at any time before the countdown ends. Otherwise, the poll will end automatically when the timer runs out. As the students start to submit their votes, the poll result is updated in real time on the teacher's dialog's window. The student can also see the result on the dialog as configured by the teacher. When the teacher closes dialog window of ongoing poll, it will be minimized as an icon at the bottom of the screen. Click on the icon to restore the dialog window. To view the history of the polls, go to the History page from the side menu. All previously hosted polls are listed here. To view the result of a history poll, click on the eye icon to view the result in detail. For each record, you can clone, view, edit, or start a discussion topic in the respective class discussion forum.